does it on purpose. Now you let all the air come in.
No, it's probably Roger's, but Nancy's. Nancy's kids. What happened to John Rogers' two children? Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm sure they both graduated by now. Yeah, but I think the older one was like Tommy's age. Once already. Barbecue, Labor Day, barbecue chicken day.
Where's it at?
Parkside Drive South near Old Mill.
Is
What?
it Stonehouse or no?
Well, let me see.
It's there.
Parkside Drive South. That's on the other side of the museum.
Looks like they're having something over there. We only have 3 minutes and 57 seconds that went by. We'll be there shortly.
No.
I hope so.
Is this where you go to watch the trains? It's
Yeah.
Dorsey
Yeah, Dorsey, no.
Have you been there lately?
Not lately.
Have you been to gym lately?
Not lately. But I go in the pool sometimes also.
Oh. Which pool?
The white pool in Wilmersdorf. Actually, the one.
Is it?
It's an indoor
outside
pool.
pool.
Yeah, it is.
That's where you work?
Yeah.
Mommy Iris and week do you do that?
There's a certain time I have to be back at my house.
What day?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Oh, after you work, you go.
Yeah. We're still going to Austin's.
Yep. That's the plan.
I talked to my mom and dad, see what they want me to get.
Remember, whatever you get, chew your food before you take any water or iced tea. Okay?
Okay, but if it's hot, I have to take a drink.
Well, wait till it cools off. Okay?
Maybe, but I'm hungry.
No. I'm gonna be watching you.
Supposed to go watch you. Me.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Did he on this street? What side? They only had one child.
I'm just wondering about that.
All I knew is, well, Nelson.
And then looking across the board from Thursday right on through. Now, there could be a shower or thunderstorm again later tomorrow night into the first part of Wednesday, and then later Thursday, a mention of a shower or thunderstorm. Otherwise, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, temperatures are going to be cooling off below what's normal for this time of year. So if you really like warm weather like Wendy Davis does, tomorrow's your day to get out and enjoy, because it's going to be pretty steamy, sticky, and pretty hot before we then go down to the 80s and then 70s. It looks like we stay there. So tomorrow, pretty sure it's going to be the warmest day in the next 8 to 10 days. So enjoy that summer-like weather, guys. Back to you.
All right, very good. Thanks, Ed.
Thanks, Ed. We'll be back.
I'm supposed to play golf too. Well, I'm supposed to.
Here's something I was surprised to learn, and I think you will be
Why, is
too.
it gonna rain?
1 in 30
No,
baby
it's
boomers
gonna
had
be
hepatitis C,
hot.
yet most don't even know it. Why? Because Hep C can hide in the body for decades with no symptoms. You heard that right, no symptoms. And it's not tested for in routine blood work.
I'll
But
stop
it's
the
serious.
camera now.
If left untreated, Hep C can lead to liver damage. In fact, Hep C is the leading cause of liver cancer. That's why the CDC recommends that all baby boomers, those of you born between 1945 and 1965, get tested for Hep C. A simple one-time test